In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check how much you've made on Acuity scheduling, a popular tool for setting appointments and organizing your schedule. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or someone managing multiple appointments and services, knowing how to navigate through Acuity to check your earnings is crucial for keeping track of your business's financial health. To start, let's head over to Acuity Scheduling's main website. This is your gateway to accessing all the features and tools that Acuity offers, so make sure you've got your login details handy. Logging into your account is the first step in uncovering the financial aspect of your scheduling tool, so let's get right into it. Once you're on the Acuity website, look for the login button typically found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will bring you to a page where you're prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in the email address associated with your Acuity account. Always double check for typos. You'd be surprised at how often a simple typo can stall your progress. After entering your email, click on the next button to proceed. Here you'll have a few options for how you want to continue logging in. For simplicity and added security, we recommend clicking on Continue with Google, especially if your Acuity account is linked to a Google account. This method not only simplifies the login process, but also adds a layer of security to your account access. Select your Google account from the list provided. Assuming you have multiple Google accounts, make sure it's the one associated with your Acuity account to avoid any login issues. Once selected, Google will handle the authentication, and you'll be seamlessly logged into your Acuity dashboard. Now, this is where things start getting interesting. You'll want to navigate to the Reports section of your Acuity account to dive into the financials. You can find the Reports section by looking on the dashboard, or sometimes under more specific headings, depending on how your account is set up. Clicking on Reports will take you to a page where all sorts of data about your appointments and earnings can be explored. Among the options listed under Reports, you will see Revenue. This is precisely where you want to be. Click on Revenue, and let's take a closer look at what your efforts have yielded. Here, Acuity provides a comprehensive breakdown of your earnings, detailing each appointment, the service provided, and how much it contributed to your overall revenue. This data is instrumental in understanding your business's financial health and can help you make informed decisions moving forward. As you explore the revenue reports, take note of the various filters and options available to customize your view. Whether you're interested in a specific time frame or a particular type of service, these tools are designed to help you drill down into the data that matters most to you. Utilize them to gain insights into your profitability, identify trends, and even spot areas that may need a bit more attention. Navigating the financial aspect of Acuity is a straightforward process thanks to its user-friendly interface and comprehensive reporting tools. By regularly checking your revenue through Acuity, you're not just keeping tabs on how much you've made, you're also taking an active role in managing and growing your business. Utilize this feature to its fullest extent and you'll find it an invaluable asset in your business toolkit. Remember, understanding your business's financial landscape is crucial for sustained growth and success. By following the steps I've outlined today, you'll be well equipped to monitor your earnings through Acuity scheduling, giving you the insights you need to make informed decisions and steer your business in the right direction. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to see how much you've made on Acuity. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you make the most of your tools and resources, and until next time, keep striving for excellence in all you do.